Hey there, it is Wednesday, the 17th of August of 2016. It's been a while since I've made one of these, so I thought that I would give it a go because it's been a long time since my last vlog. What I've got currently to do today is I've got to take my amp in because I just got it and it already blew up. That's the bass amp. Gotta take that, get it fixed. And then I'm going to go get my haircut to get fixed up because it's dumb. And then I gotta go pick up my friend and then band practice. And yeah. Hey, can I get a medium creamy maple chill with...
Unfortunately, I don't have maple. Would you like just a regular chocolate chill?
Can I get just a regular ice cap?
Yep, no problem. Is there anything else we can get you today?
And can I get a blueberry muffin, please?
And a blueberry muffin. That'll be ready for you, Glinda.
It's also making a windmill. That is pretty cool. On the beach. Nice. So my bass amp is going to take a couple of days to get fixed, so this practice is going to be not as fun because I have to use my old amp, which is also blown. And this is our first practice in a couple weeks because I broke my collarbone and I am just back now. But yeah, I'm at the lagoon and it's really pretty, so I'll get some video of that. And then I gotta go cut my hair. So yeah, it's really nice out. Like, really nice out. Cruise ship. Little baby ship. Here's the other side. Then here's my car. Let's go look at it. So, this is my daily. It's got some wonderful stickers on it. There you go. It's basically just a joke, the whole thing. There's that. And, my favorite one's sticker, because of Viewing Swap. It's beautiful. Outside, and I haven't actually come to the beach in forever. Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, there's this like one goose, and it's like walking towards me, right over there. And there's one over there too. They just keep walking closer. I don't know if they're gonna go all thug on me or what, but yeah. I don't know if you can. Let's see. Yeah, that guy right there. And then there's like that guy right there. And all of them just took off. Huh. It's a nice day. Also, I got my hair cut. Does it look nice? I'm gonna try and sit on that log right there. But there's a whole bunch of birds. I don't know if they're gonna let me. Let's try. Oh, they're walking over to me. I'm gonna get wrecked. Quite a few birds. Huh. Cool.
At least you try till we see the side to eye. I don't want you.
Fuck you, Ahmed. Hey, we're on our way to band practice now. And
let's go practice. I don't play an instrument.
I got a Zane and an Ahmed.
He did though.
What are you doing?
It doesn't zoom.
Yes, it does.
It
Yes, it does. Yes, it
Not on the front one.
Oh, okay. Okay, yeah. Oh, we're trying to find Ahmed a power cord. Look at it. Ahmed, what are you doing?
Finding things.
Yeah, we're gonna walk over here. Hey, dude. Hi. That. shit out of.
T3, T3,
Hello.
T3, could T3.
What are we doing, man? Are we getting filmed or something?
I'm ending my vlog because I have like a bunch of vlogginess done.
Started.
Talking about feeding infants T3.
No,
We're
talking
not
about feeding.
We're talking about
geese.
intellectual things like business and law.
And T3s.
And not T3s, that's an album name.
And cuck.
And cock.
That kind of works the same
cock.
concept.
T3s and cock. Yes, T3s and cock.
Yes.
Hang on.
So band practice was neat.
Hey,
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 mama.
ready? We're gonna do the thing.
Okay, hold on. Oh no.
I am the one, I don't need a gun to get around all the streets.
Do it again. Do it again. Do it again.
I am the one.
I am the one, don't need a gun.
Okay, let's go to the beach.
Okay. Okay, beach time. I think it's bedtime.
Hey.
We're going to the beach.
Fuck!
Hey, so sorry about not getting any videos from practice. I was really wanting to, but we got way too into it. It's the next day now. It is Thursday. And I've just got some stuff to pretty much finish off on this. I've got a cool guitar thing that I kind of want to show you. And then I'm gonna go get my amp. And that's pretty much where this one's gonna end. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the guitar thing now.
I wish I could let you